Altering or fixing village pieces can be tricky because rarely do they lay flat. I oftentimes will have to prop it up with whatever I can find nearby. The rice box is my own idea for getting my pieces in safe positions while I work on them. Although rice box is pretty self-explanatory, there are some things to keep in mind. You'll need a box or a bowl even, and preferably one that closes tightly and one that can fully encompass a typical village piece. You'll also need, you guessed it, plain old rice. But before you pour, lay down a few bay leaves at the bottom of your rice box. This will help deter bugs. Now, pour your rice about 3/4 of the way full. You can also add or remove based on your project. You'll find that the rice has a very fine powder, which will transfer to your village pieces. To prevent this from happening, cut several sheets of saran or plastic wrap and loosely lay it on top of your rice. When you're ready to use your rice box, simply lay your piece on top of the plastic wrap and make a little nest by either moving it in small circles or, if it's super delicate, building up rice around it. Never cover it completely, never press down or put pressure on the village piece. And once you're done gluing, cutting, hacking, trimming, painting, whatever you're doing, simply remove the plastic wrap, close the lid, and store. I don't recommend cooking or eating the rice after use, especially if your box isn't food safe or if you worked with any chemicals. For me, I store it with my crafts. And there you have it, a cheap, simple way to protect your pieces while you do what you need to do. And if you like tips and tricks like this, please let me know by subscribing to my channel. I hope your rice box serves you well.